Hi everybody, this is my DJI mic. It's a DJI 2. It's a great little mic, and I usually hook it to my shirt, but when I hook it to my shirt, sometimes it kind of pulls my shirt around. Don't like that. So you can stand here and hold it, which is what a lot of people do. I've even seen lots of people hold it like this, which I don't quite understand, the fingers up and the angle, but you can hold it, but I don't want to have to hold it. So I think it would be better to make it into a necklace. So I've got this little velvet necklace, and I think you can just hook it right on there, straighten it out, and there, I have a necklace. Not very pretty. So I have some ideas how to make it prettier. And I think if you put something more attractive on the front, make it look more like a necklace, that would be a good idea. So I went to the craft store and I found some things. So this is a little shell that I thought might be pretty. This is just a black button, big black button, but if you put it with that, it's giving Givenchy. And then I also found this peacock feather pendant, which I really like. I'm not sure this one's going to be big enough. So today's project is to make a necklace that I can attach my microphone to the back of and have it not be so unattractive. So I've got a plan, and that's going to be our project for the day. Here we go. Okay, so the plan is to take the shell, put a magnet, adhere that, and then that will attach to the mic. That's what we think. So these magnets, I hope they're going to be strong enough. They have an adhesive on the back, but I don't think the adhesive is going to be strong enough. So I've got some E6000, which is available at pretty much any craft store. And hopefully it will be strong enough to hold us onto our little beautiful shell. So I'll do that and just put it right in the middle. And then we're going to let that dry. Put that aside. Okay, moving on to plan B. We have our little black button. First, let's put our beautiful pearl on. Okay, here's our peacock. Take another magnet and get some more glue. Set him aside. Okay, we can do the back side of our pearl. More glue. So this glue takes 24 hours to cure, so we're just going to put it down and, oh, we already lost the front. This maybe we're going to have to wait on. No, we can do it this way. And we just won't move it. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we're back and the glue is dry. The project is a work in progress, I think. The battery is quite thick, so it makes the whole thing stick out a ways. It doesn't quite cover, so I need a bigger button, I think, and maybe a lower chain. Not sure about the chain, but it's okay, but it's not quite there yet. So let's take a look at the other two. So the peacock feather is not big enough to hide the microphone, but it's close and it seems to lay flatter than the first one. So it's a work in progress, I think. Be great if we could figure out how to make the peacock feather bigger, frame it or something might work. Have to work on that one. The seashell seems to hide the battery the best. It actually even hides it better if I turn the battery horizontally. So this is, and it's quite lightweight and it lays a little bit flatter than the others did. So that one worked pretty well. I think it's a good idea. It needs some tweaking. I'm going to keep working on it. I think a year from now, you're going to see these everywhere. You're going to be able to buy them on Amazon with etchings of your favorite dog. Everybody will be wearing these. And when that happens, remember, you saw it first here on Renegade Seniors. Thanks for watching. See you next time.